Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I will tell you how to sell something on OLX app on Android. So let's begin the video. So first of all, simply open your OLX app which you have installed in your Android or iPhone. The process is same for iPhone and Android, so you don't need to have to worry about it. So at the middle you are seeing the option of sell. You will simply tap on sell. Okay, so here is the option of what are you offering. So you can add anything, vehicles, mobiles, bikes, jobs. You can sell anything on OLX. So we will tap on mobiles. So here are the accessories, tablets, accessories, mobile phones. So we will tap on mobile phones. So here you can tap on your individual, you will tap on iPhone. So here you will tap on next. So here you will add a price. Okay, so here you will add iPhone. So here is the title of your phone. When you will tap on next, you will tap you will enter your mobile pictures, your brand name, your price details. So here is the condition. You can put the conditions in it: new, used, open box. So here you can add title, describe what are you selling. When you will enter these full, so your ad will be published on OLX. So these are the ads which people have published on OLX for selling. So this is the process of adding your individual or sells anything on OLX. Thank you.